Good morning, everyone. This is B. Ramarao from SRRS Government Polytechnic College, Sirsilla. Today, we discuss common subject engineering chemistry and environmental studies. Common C204. Today, our topic water pollution and causes of water pollution and causes of water pollution. Causes of water pollution. Water pollution and causes of water pollution. Today our objectives on the completion of this period you would be able to know about what is water pollution, what are the main causes of water pollution in our environment. Why the water should be polluted in our environment, which are the components mixed into water bodies, why the reasons of water pollution. These are discussing in this topic. So, the completion of this period, you would fulfill knowledge about causes of water pollution. So, water pollution. Water pollution. Water is found in environment as a sea water, river water, pond water, lake water, and as water vapors in the atmosphere. These are available in water body in environment. Environment has a sea water, river water, pond water, lake water, and as water vapors in atmosphere. Water is used directly by man for providing food and drink. Water is used directly by man for providing food and drink. For personal and domestic hygienic, animal uses and agriculture purpose, transportation and industry. Widely we are using in domestic purpose, agriculture purpose, transportation purpose, living for animals. Today water resources have been the most exploited natural system since man started living on the earth. Pollution of water bodies is increasing due to rapid population growth, industrialization, urbanization, increasing living standard and wide shapes of human activities. Human activities. Time is perhaps not too far when pure and clean water, particularly in polluted by industrialization, water scratches areas may be for maintaining normal living standards. What is water pollution? Water polluted occurs when energy and other materials are released into water body containing the quality of it for other uses. Water pollution is a state of deviation from the pure conditions whereby the normal functions and properties are affected. Water pollution may be defined as any change in the physical, chemical, and biological properties of water, as well as contamination with any substance which would constitute a health hazard or otherwise decreases the utility of water. These water body unwanted substances increases in water body which is affected living and non-living things are called water pollution. Addition of excess of undesirable substance to water that make it harmful to man, animals, and aquatic life, or otherwise causes significant from the normal activities of various living communities in or around water. Water pollution or it causes bad taste of drinking water. It comes odor from lake. Unchecked growth of aquatic weeds in water bodies. Decreasing in number of fishes. Oil and greases floating on water surface. These are types of water. Water sources of two types. One is surface water pollution. Second one, groundwater pollution. Surface water pollution, groundwater pollution. These surface water found on exterior of Earth's crust, oceans, rivers and lakes. Found on exterior of Earth's crust, oceans, rivers and lakes. Groundwater pollution found in soil or under rock structures or aquifer. Introduction for water pollutions. Water is a precious resources and without it life is not possible on earth. Water is a precious resources and without it life not possible on earth. Water is getting polluted day by day due to excessive and careless use, so the percent of available drinking water is reducing. There are many ways which causes water pollution, and the effects of it are very harmful for all living and non-living objectives. All living and non-living objectives. Water pollution. Water pollution can be defined as presence of solid, liquid or gaseous contaminant in such concentration that may alter the quality of water. Water pollution can be defined as presence of solid, liquid or gaseous contaminant in such concentration that may alter the quality of water. Water pollution is defined as the addition to water of an excess material or heat that is harmful to living organisms or which impairs the beneficial uses of water. Water pollution causes by the main causes of water pollution. The principal sources of water pollution resulting for exploration and production operations are domestic wastage, faulty sewage system, faulty sewage system, solid wastage from industries, industrial wastage, acid rain, oil industry or oil pollution, aquatic plants, and agriculture wastage, unhygienic practices. These all are caused by water pollution in environment. Causes of water pollution: domestic wastage, domestic wastage, domestic wastage mixed into water body, it causes water pollution. Domestic wastage mixed into water body causes water pollution. Domestic wastage mixed into water body causes water pollution. Domestic wastage like dumping of household wastage mixed into water body, it causes water pollution. Faulty sewage system caused by water pollution. Faulty sewage system. Normally the water sewage system service the business and commercial area, residential area, and much of industrial area. All urban wastage that reach the stream other than through the organized sewage system and treatment works constitute a great contribution to water pollution. In our country, large quantity of municipal and domestic water released by drainage system into canals and the rivers caused the pollution of major. The sewage contains human feces, human wastage, kitchen wastage, and organic wastage that providing nutrition for bacteria and fungi. Disposal of sewage into river and lake causes several undesirable effects. Example, the spread of waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, infections, and malaria. Sewage increases the biological productivity and interferes with many uses of the water. Sewage containing oxidizable and fermentable matter causes depletion of dissolved oxygen in the receiving water bodies, affecting the aquatic flora severely. Domestic sewage, which is primarily composed spent water containing wine, soapy waste, food material, and paper. These water extremely polluted. These sewage particles are directly or indirectly mixed into water body. It causes water pollution. Solid wastage. Solid wastage. The solid wastage causes blockage in flow of water. It causes water as well as air pollution. The solid particles like polythene, it means solid wastage. The solid particles like plastic covers, pipes, computer waste materials, these all are mixed into water body. It causes water pollution. The solid particles mixed into water body, it causes water pollution. The solid particles are mixed into industrials, it causes water pollution. Industrial wastage. Industrial waste containing paper waste, rubbers, metallic, aluminum waste, etc. is drawn directly into water body which pollutes water. Industrial releases waste particles of rubber, metallic, aluminum, lead, zinc, mercury. These waste particles are directly into water body which causes pollution. Water is an essential raw material in almost all manufacturing plants, though only a small parts of it may appears in the final product. The remainder becomes a waste material contaminant to a small or large degree depending on its uses in the plant after entering the natural water resources. It contaminates them. Industrial wastage are discharged into water bodies contain toxic chemicals, hazardous compounds, aldehydes, ketones, amines, cyanides, metallic wastage, plasticizers, toxic acids, corrosive alkalis, oil, greases, dyes, biocides, suspended solids, non-biodegradable matters, radioactive wastage, and thermal pollutants from numerous industries. These effluents, when discharged through sewage system, poison the biological purification mechanism of sewage. Treatment of pose several pollution problems. The toxic of various pollutants to aquatic environment is variable, but all them contaminant on the bottom of water system where they poison of aquatic organisms. Most of the industries effluents are not capable of undergoing degradation. Toxic material are extremely harmful for living beings. Effluents containing acids and alkali make the water corrosion. These are industrial wastage directly or indirectly mixed into water bodies. It causes water pollution. Acid rain. Acid rain. This acid rain also causes water pollution. Acid rain also affected water bodies. What is acid rain? Rainwater which pH value less than 5.6 is called acid rain. Rainwater with pH value. Rainwater pH is 7, but its pH value less than 7 is called acid rain. The presence of small amount of acids in rainwater, it causes acid rain. The presence of small amount of acids in rainwater is called acid rain. Acid rain are found due to presence of oxides of sulfur and nitrogen released by combustion of fuels, emission of industries, power stations and automobiles. It releases from industrials, automobiles. It causes acidified environment. These oxides react with water to form sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, nitrous acid, nitric acid and come down with rainwater and causes acid rain. Oxides of SO2 react with rainwater to form H2SO3. SO2 plus H2O gives rise H2SO3. SO3 plus H2O gives rise H2SO4. N2O3 plus H2O gives rise HNO2. N2O5 plus H2O gives rise HNO3. These oxides of SO2, SO3, N2O3, N2O5 presence in atmosphere, it causes acid rain. The rainwater contain small amount of acids. It causes acid rain. The presence of small amount of acids in rainwater is called acid rain. Acid rain are found due to presence of oxides of sulfur and nitrogen released by combustion of fuels, industrials, power station, automobiles. These oxides of SO2, SO3, NO, N2O3, N2O5, interact with water body, it causes acids of H2SO3, H2SO4, HNO3, HNO2, so on. Presence in water body, it causes acid rain. In industries, releases sulfur dioxide mixed into clouds. These clouds releases water body mixed into oxides of sulfur and nitrogen combined together to form acids. Acid rain. Sulfur dioxide emissions from industries. Clouds with sulfuric acids. Acid rain harms vegetation and water life, aquatic life. Oil industry. Oil industry. This oil industry also causes water pollution. Oil industries. Spillage of oil from large ships causes water pollution by preventing oxygen supply to aquatic life. These oil industries, the sources of oil pollution are oil spills from cargo oil tankers on the seas, losses during offshore exploration and leakage of oil pipelines, corrosing waterways and resources. Apart from this, wasting of automobiles contributes to a certain extent to the pollution of water. Large oil transportation from ships, when the oil leakage from the tankers, it causes oil pollution. It causes oil pollution. Next one, aquatic plants. Water hydrogen and aquatic plants causes pollution in water. It is long-lived plant which grows faster in water bodies and absorbs all essential nutrients from water, which is vital for marine organisms. It is also known as terror of Bengal due to its abundance. The aquatic plants growing in wastewater, it is also causes water pollution. It is also causes water pollution. The aquatic plants increases in water body, it causes water pollution. It is a long-lived plants which grow faster in water body and absorb all essential nutrients from water, which is vital for marine organism. It is also known as Terror of Bengal due to abundance. This water body also affected by water plants. Unhygienic practices also causes water pollution. Unhygienic practices, water gets polluted when people, washermen, resorts to washing of clothes in river, lake, and open ponds. In villages, farmers ignorant of the effects of water pollution. Resorts to bathing of animals in drinking water lakes, rivers and ponds and near open wells. These unhygienic practices also causes water pollution. Water gets polluted when water body causes polluted unhygienic practices. Water get polluted when people waste washers resource to washing of clothes in river, lake and open ponds. In villages, farmers ignorant of the effects of water pollution resort to bathing of animal in drinking water, lakes, rivers and ponds and near open well. These all are caused by water pollution. Agriculture wastage, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, processing waste and animal waste etc. are constantly added to water. They flow down into canals, lakes, rivers, etc. and causes pollution. The agriculture wastage of fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, processing wastage and animal wastage etc. are added into water body. They causes water pollution. They flow down into canals, lakes, rivers, etc. and causes water pollution. Population growing also causes water pollution. Population increased by environment then also causes water pollution. Increasing of population they also causes water pollution. Population increases also causes water pollution. Mixing of radioactivity components in water body. Radioactivity is a physical type of environmental pollution caused by the increases in natural background radiation emerging from the activities of man involving the uses of naturally occurring of artificially produced radioactivity materials. The changes of radioactivities are radionuclides spreading into air and water have increased extensively with the discovery of artificial radioactivity due to the development of atomic, neutron and hydrogen bomb and technique of harnessing nuclear energy. These radionuclides are extremely toxic in water. These radioactivity materials mixed into water body then causes water pollution. These are causes of water pollution. Some questions are given below. Which of the following river is called the world's most polluted river? Which of the following river is called the world's most polluted river? Ganga River, Chenab River, Kaveri River, Yamuna River. Which of the following river is called the world's most polluted river? Ganga, Chenab, Kaveri, Yamuna. Answer is Ganga River is most polluted river in the world. It is most polluted river in the world. That is Ganga River. Which of the following salt is a main causes of permanent hardness of water? Which of the following salts is main causes of permanent hardness of water? Options: magnesium sulfate, magnesium bicarbonate, magnesium carbonate, none of the above. Magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, magnesium bicarbonate, MgHCO3 taken twice, magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. In these three salts, answer magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. Which of the following salts is the main causes of permanent hardness of water? Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, calcium chloride. These four salts present in water or any one salts present in water, it causes permanent hardness of water. Which of the following salt is the main causes of permanent hardness of water? That is magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. What is the health effect of excess fluoride in drinking water? The fluorine content less than 3 ppm water, it does not any causes of body. In case more than 3 ppm, this water contains fluoride water, 3 parts per million. What is the health effect of excess fluoride in drinking water? Excess fluoride drinking water. Fluorosis, toothache, lung diseases, internal infection. What is the health effects of excess fluoride in drinking water? Options: fluorosis, toothache, lung diseases, internal infection. Answer: fluorosis. This fluorosis affected decreasing of bone growthings. What is the health effects of excess fluoride in drinking water? It causes fluorosis. Which of the following is a waterborne diseases? Waterborne diseases: typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, all of the above. Which of the following is a waterborne diseases? Typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, all of the above. Which of the following waterborne disease? Options: typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, all of the above. Answer: D, all of the above. These above three diseases are caused by water pollution: thyroid, cholera, diarrhea. Frequently asked about this topic questions: water. What is water pollution? What is water pollution? The presence of unwanted substance in water body which affects physical, chemical and biological properties of water, and this by decreasing uses of water in domestic purpose and industrials are called water pollution. The unwanted substance presence in water body which is affected living and non-living things are called water pollution. The presence of unwanted substance in water body which is affected living and non-living things are called water pollution. What are the causes of water pollution? What are the causes of water pollution? Causes of water pollution: faulty drainage system, industrials, agriculture, biological, unhygienic practices, oil, agriculture, unhygienic practices, populations, radioactivity. These all are increases. Then water polluted. Explain about causes of water pollution. The unwanted substance presence in water body which is affected living and non-living things, water pollution. Faulty drainage system is one of the main causes of water pollution. Improper drainage system leads to water pollution due to mixing of sewage with drinking water. The sewage contains decaying organic matter and diseases causing microorganisms. The faulty drainage system, mainly 70% of water pollution, this drainage system. Normally in the water carrying drainage system, services in businesses, commercial area, residential area and much of industrial area. These all are mixed into water body. The domestic sewage, which is primarily composed of spent water containing, these all are mixed into water body. Industrials also, the waste material generated in industrial causes water pollution by toxic chemicals and waste materials mixed into water body, it causes water pollution. Agriculture wastage, the fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides directly mixed into water body, it causes water pollution. Biological pollution, the unhygienic practices like washing clothes in river, lakes or open ponds and affected water pollution. Transportation of oil. Transportation of oil from seas, it leakage, it causes water pollution. The population increases also causes water pollution. Radioactivities releases from industrials, it causes water pollution. These are causes of water pollution. Frequently asked questions: what is water pollution? What are the causes of water pollution? Explain about causes of water pollution. Thank you once again. Thank you.